In this video, we feature the top 5 transcription job sites that are not only accepting native English speakers, but are also considering applicants from anywhere in the world. If you want to get updates on our new uploads, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell, so you'll be notified when we have new content. Thanks, and let's get rolling. Here's our list of the top 5 transcription job sites that are accepting applicants from anywhere in the world. Number 1. TranscribeMe. If you're 18 years old and above and have access to a computer and the internet, you can apply as a transcriber on TranscribeMe. Please check the link in the description box to read about the equipments that you need and other information about working at TranscribeMe. Number 2. Casting Words. Casting Words use PayPal mass payment system, so if PayPal is available in your country, then you can definitely apply at Casting Words. Casting Words only hires freelancers at the Casting Words workshop and on Upwork. Please check the link to read about the FAQs for freelancers. Number 3. Scribe. To join as a Scribe transcriber, you'll only need 3 steps. First, sign up as a transcriber, then set up your PayPal account, and then take the transcription test. Check the link for Scribe to learn more about the requirements for this remote home-based job. Number 4. Happy Scribe. Happy Scribe pays an average of €450 per month for their transcribers. They accept applicants from the United States, United Kingdom, Spain, France, Germany, Canada, Kenya, Philippines, and many more. As long as your country is supported by Wise Payments, you can definitely apply as a transcriber at Happy Scribe. Please check the applicant FAQs to learn more about working at Happy Scribe. Number 5. GoTranscript. GoTranscript hires applicants from anywhere in the world. Applying as an English transcriber is very easy. You just need to create an account, study the guidelines and the samples, then take the test. Be sure to check the FAQs to learn more about working at GoTranscript. Do you know other transcription job sites that hire anyone from anywhere in the world? Please share it with us in the comments. Thanks for watching. We hope this video will help you find a remote transcription job to get extra income. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell, so you'll get updates when we have new videos. See you soon!